Imagine walking into a restaurant and the wonderful aroma of freshly baked cookies and home-style cooked meals such as meatloaf and mashed potatoes fill your senses. A spacious restaurant where you can bring your family and friends for a peaceful meal and not have to compete with televisions blaring various sporting events or the news. Breakfast is served any time of the day and a wide variety of lunch and dinner favorites to pick from, along with a bakery, is what sets us apart from our competition. Where is this place, you ask? Welcome to Perkins Restaurant and Bakery. My name is Karen McClintock, and I invite you to become a partner in this franchise opportunity. With the Perkins franchise, you don't have to go it alone. Starting out in 1958 as a pancake house and expanding into the popular restaurant and bakery of today, we have decades of experience in opening new franchises. Our business model is solid and time-tested with lots of built-in perks. With over 300 locations in the United States and in Canada, Perkins is a recognized brand with a strong following. You will enjoy resources that smaller businesses can't compete with. Competitive food prices, a team of business experts behind you, a highly regarded brand name, and access to cutting-edge research and development are just a few of the examples. Now is the time to invest. The restaurant industry is projected to reach $889 billion in sales in 2020. American adults eat out around 5 times per week. That's a lot of potential customers. Furthermore, the industry is expected to grow by 50% by 2028, which is great news for investors who are looking to break into the business. We've developed a straightforward investment with no hidden cost and many benefits for franchisees. The franchise fee is a one-time only investment of $40,000, and that is included in the total investment, which ranges from $1.7 million to $2.7 million. Your investment includes a commercial lease on a spacious location, equipment, operating inventory, furniture and fixtures, signage, initial marketing expenses, and much, much more. Since we have developed a comprehensive breakdown of our restaurant and bakery franchise cost, there is less worry of encountering unexpected expenses, so you can stay on track toward meeting your goals. You and your manager of your franchise will take part in 35 days of training to prepare you to run your own restaurant. The training takes place in the fully operational Perkins restaurant, so you can watch our procedures and actions and get hands-on experience. We offer ongoing training after your doors are opened. Courses and seminars, online and in person, will be provided from time to time to keep franchisees up to date on any changes to our business model and on top of best practices. Perkins offers a reduced royalties during the first years in business to give your franchise time to reach its full potential. An expansive 1.14-acre lot located in a rapidly growing hilltop area of Jonesboro is the ideal site for this family-oriented restaurant. The restaurant will be located directly across from NEA Baptist Hospital, giving families visiting or staying with a loved one in the hospital a place to get away for a short time and enjoy comfort food. Arkansas State University is close by as well, and Brooklyn is just a few minutes' drive. This site will allow for an ample parking area. Being located on the corner of Highway 49 and Paragould Road, a high-traffic intersection with the potential for a traffic signal, it has exposure to over 30,000 cars per day. There's not a better time to invest. The restaurant industry is growing by leaps and bounds. The location is ideal, and this type of restaurant is sincerely needed in the Jonesboro area. I invite you to join us in bringing this family-style restaurant to Jonesboro. By joining the Perkins Restaurant and Bakery family, you will become a vital part of the community and help fill this void.